to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all, my subby, for your support. And if you're new here, welcome. I wish all of you and your family are doing well. I have just a little item to share with you today. This item from Hermès, and this package I received I think a few days ago, but I didn't have time to film this video, so I have to wait until today. And this item I ordered is on a website, and I saw this item years ago in store, but I didn't think I will get it. So this time I saw it on the website with the beautiful color. So then this is the package I got it today. It have my information that I have to go with. This is the Hermès package. When you order online, they come with the outside with the white box like this. And let's open it. And this is just the two items. Not big, just a small one. And this inside of the white box is always have the Hermès picture right there. It's a really pretty one. And when you order online, the receipt is different. Usually in store you have the small envelope. And by the way, you will see the background has changed a little bit, because I'm still looking for the good place to film the video so I can show you better. And I keep moving around my house to find the best place so I can stay. But I don't know how you think about this background, this setting. Please let me know. And this is the receipt. There are two envelopes, one envelope inside of another envelope. Like when you install, it's only like one full envelope. And in this envelope, they have all the instructions in there. How to return the item, and the exchange policy. One exchange policy on one side, one is return policy on one side. But usually I never exchange or return that one. I don't know. But, and this is information. And this is the two items. And I love Hermès packet. It's so pretty. Let's open one first. I don't know which one, but I ordered two, but I don't know which one. Okay, let's open the small one first. Oh, this is the shoelace. I ordered this shoelace. It's not for the shoes. Okay? This item is under Petit age, and you can because when I saw this one, I think about this. You know, I have my Evelyn PM, and I usually put the tulle here with the scarf, like the scarf, what you call that one, the lock for the scarf right there. Okay, that's how I put my bag like that. But since I see this shoelace, I think about put this shoelace around this edge instead using this scarf, because this bag kind of small. If you have the small size bag, I have the small size bag, and I put this one is look okay. This one is still pretty, it's still cute, I like it. But I think about it, how about this area? So let's open it, because this is in silver hardware, not the gold hardware, because you cannot pick on the on the section little H. You cannot pick the color, it cannot pick the hardware. All this will be surprise. So I have this in gold, and I have another bag in silver. So I just hope this time is in silver, and next time I will order another one, and hopefully, because I have two in white, two in yellow gold, and so I can, next time if I have the gold hardware, I will use for this bag. But now I don't know which one I get. So this is two, and the silk piece you cannot pick either, it will be surprise. And this is the silk, is really pretty, blue and red. It's the same material they use for the tulle. And in the middle they have a little letter tab here, called say Hermès made in France on one side, and another Hermès on another side. So I think about I can do a wrap around this edge area like this. I will do it. I will try, and I will show you how it looks when I finish it with the picture on it. And this is the one item. This is retail for $180, and I bought this one for this purpose, not for the shoes, because I plan to get the white Hermès shoes, but not yet. So this shoelace is for this purpose, not for shoe. And this is the second item, and let's open it. Here we go. This is the card holder. It's called CD 3cc colorblock card holder, and this in 3 colors. Is in Rouge, sellier, beige, and there are 3 colors. But the top one, whatever the top one color is, the back will be the same. And this is in watercolor leather, that's how they call. And they have the Hermès stamp on the top. On the side they have one pocket. And as you know, I love card holder from Hermès, and I wish I have every single card holder from Hermès. And so I saw they have the horses one before at the store, but maybe I will go there and take a look to see any color that I like. I will get it. The horse style is $200 different. This card holder retail for $540 plus tax. It depends where you live. And this is the card holder. This is the C2 2C jungle card holder from Hermès. I have unboxed video. If you're interested, you can see they only have 2 card slots. This is the card holder I using right now. I have 2 cards in this slot, and on the back you have another card like slots. I keep my ID and insurance. That's all. I only have 4 cards, so this is a perfect one for me. Let me try to show you. And it fit perfectly. It's very smooth and easy to take in and out, no problem. This one, same thing. This one is very short. It's shorter than this, as you can see. And this one, I really love it. It fits in all my small bag and very, very soft. And let me show you the measurement. The height for this card is 11 centimeter. It's around 4.5 inch, and the length is around 2.9 inch. Is 7 centimeter, same as the website on Hermès website put it. And this one, the height is around 3.5 inch. Is around like 9 centimeter, and same thing is the length is 2.9 inch. Is like 6. Oh no, this is 2.5 inch. Is 6.5 centimeter. It's smaller. You can see it's tiny little bit like smaller. As you can see on this side, tiny little bit, but it's shorter. And let me take this one out so I can show you at the middle pocket in here. You have here, you can put in here, so easy. I have 3 in here, and my driver's license and my insurance card and my dental card. It fits perfectly, and it not come out. And I think you can still put more card in this slot. Let me see. I don't have any extra card here to show you. I think you still double it, but I usually don't double it because I don't have so much card. That's all I have, the card I have. And this one, let me show you where is the stamp is. Let's see. I think it's inside. Where is it? I have to find it. Oh, it's right here. It's nope, it's not. I think it's here. You know, because Hermès, the stamp is very hard to see. I don't know where is this one. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know where. Oh, it's right here. It's right here in the corner, if you can see, because the color is so hard to see. It's right in the corner. And what letter is it? It's so hard to see. I don't have my glass with me, so I cannot read it. I'm sorry, but that's how this card is, and I love this card. And I think I will go to the store and ask my SA if they have the horsey one. I love the horse. I saw last time, but they don't have the color that I want, so I didn't get it. And I will check it out for that one. And that's it for today. And this is how this fit in my bag. This is the bag I'm currently using right now. And this is insert inside usually. Well, this is a mask, and this is Hermès lip gloss with the pill, and this is the pen, and you see this one usually fit right in there. You see, very tiny and slim. So why I love Hermès. You see, if I put in there, it's fit. It won't take any space, and so I love it. And also like this one too, because this one have two color, blue and yellow is my two favorite color. So it's go in here perfectly. And that's it for today. And thank you so much for your time for watching my video. And I hope that this video will be useful for you if you're interested on this card holder. So all around is the glazing. It's all in leather, and so they have a cut like this, so easy to take the card out. And I hope this video is useful for you, so you can get all the information before you get it. And I wish all of you and your family are doing well and enjoy your summer. As you see, this the Barn compact wallet. If I need to put this card holder inside of this one, if I go somewhere, if I need it, I just put in there, and that's it. Voila. But usually I don't do that. And this one too, you can put it in there. That's why I love Hermès card holder, and the color and the style is very slim. And once again, thank you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notify button so the YouTube will notify you when I have a new video posted. And also I have a giveaway from another video if you like to check it out. And that giveaway will be closed in mid of August, and that's just a gift, thank you gift for all of you for your support. And once again, thank you, and you have a wonderful time. Bye bye.